Hello everybody, who fancies a casserole? Who fancies a Spanish casserole? Who fancies a Spanish casserole for £4? £4. Let me show you. Spanish style chicken and chorizo casserole. Asda. Mix and match, so it's 2 for £8, it was £4. I've got something else which I'm going to do for takeaway tomorrow, something simple. I'm going to do that live. You know, it's only going to take about 15 minutes to do, so there won't really much to do on a video of it, so I'm going to do it live. But yeah, I think they're £4.75 on their own. I think, I'm not 100% sure, can't quite remember. Or 2 for £8, mix and match. So there we go, that's what it is anyway. I'm not sure how many it serves, probably 2 I suppose. Let me see if I can show you anywhere. You can probably see it better than me. Well, there's the ingredients anyway, we'll have a look as we go along. Cooking in the oven for, what is it, 200 degrees for 45 minutes. Stir halfway through, yeah, blah blah blah. What I'm going to do is I'm not going to cook it in there. I'm going to put it into a proper oven dish anyway. But with them, I'm going to be having some roast potatoes. And I just want to get them on now, because I like my roast potatoes to go in. I like to do them slow, 160 degrees, and then turn them up for the last 40-45 minutes. So brown up and at them. So I'll get them on before I start. But to go in them roast potatoes, because we haven't had roast potatoes for a while, because we haven't had any sort of Sunday dinner, I've also bought this from Asda. Never had it before. Piri Piri chili. £2.50 I think that was. It's quite expensive. I haven't even opened it yet, so let's have a look and have a smell. Oh. Shake to loosen. Let's shake it first. Give it a shake. And pull that, if I can grab it. I'll sort that out in a minute. Let's give it a smell. Oh yeah. Oh, oh, that's gone up my nose. Oh dear, that's gone up my nose. Oh, smells nice. Oh, it's gone right up my nose. Oh god. Yeah. There's no really excuse me. Oh god. Stop sniffing pepper. Oh. Anyway, yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Not really a lot to do now. Some of my roast potatoes are boiled. Oh, it's gone right up my nose. Oh, God. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, so there isn't really much to do. But I say I'm going to go live tomorrow and it's takeaway. It's nothing special. It's about 15 minutes to do, that's all. So we can go and have a chat and everything, can't we? Something nice and simple. So that'll be about 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Yeah. Anyway, we'll wait for these spuds. I'm going to have to put my teeth in. These spuds to boil up. Right guys, the spuds are done. I have drained them. I've just let them sit in for a minute. What I'm going to do, I'm going to get a little bit of oil in the bottom. I'm going to give it a shake and then I'm going to get a couple out just in case nobody else likes that piri piri, if you get what I mean. And then I can cook them like sort of separate. Just give them a little shake up, get a couple out. There. Like that. I will get me hot pan out. I've already got my oil in. And I'll get, I don't know, 3 or 4 of these out first. 5 of them. And I'm going to have, well with this stuff, I'll show you that, I don't know if you can see it. It's probably blurred. I'll read it to you in a second. Maybe a teaspoon, I'm not sure how much to put in. It's very potent when I sniffed it anyway. A little bit more than that, then you want it covered. Yeah, a bit more, Maybe that. I'll do that. I'll give it another shake. I'm not going to salt it because I put that seasoning on, so I'll salt the other ones though. Give this a little shake so it can all mix together. There we go, just a bit of seasoning on there, isn't there? I'll put a little bit of salt on these ones. We can always add more salt if we need to. And I'm going to get these ones with the peri peri on the other side. Now what I do with my roasters, after 15 minutes, just give them a little stir and it'll stop them sticking at the bottom. That's all you have to do. Another one there. So I'm on going 160 degrees for about an hour-ish, 45 minutes. And then we'll get the other stuff in then. And this piri piri here is made with tiny African bird's eye chilies, lemon and paprika. This famous Portuguese style seasoning adds delicious fiery flavour to chicken, prawns or steak. Well, mine's going on spuds. Uses a spicy rub, marinade or table seasoning. Well, that's what it is. There's the ingredients so that you can see it properly. I'm getting it close because I can read it because I ain't got my reading glasses on. Yeah, £2.50, so it's worth a try, ain't it? Okay guys, we're going to get the casserole now, the Spanish casserole in. I have heated my pan up and I've put a little drop of oil in the bottom of my pan. There it is. Hot. So we just get it all in, eh? So you can cook it in that metal thing there, the metal tray, but I'm not. I'm just going to cook it in my own tray. There it all is. Don't look too bad, does it? I mean, only pieces of chicken there. 1, 2, 3, about 6, I think. They're only small though, ain't they? So, is it 6? 6, 7, I don't know. I can't really see. But for a couple of years, I suppose, for £4. Let's just get it all in anyway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh no, there's 8 pieces of chicken. I've got chicken thighs and chicken drumsticks, I think it is. Might need a bigger pan. Let's get it all spread out. There we go. That's just going to go in. There isn't much veg in there, is there? Bit of chicken. Yeah. I'm going to get that in anyway for 45 minutes. Right guys, the roast potatoes are done. There they are. Looking nice, ain't they? I'm not sure which one's that because I think there was 5 there. I think it's that one. Looking quite nice, ain't they? They're the piri piri ones. Oh, here the dog's choking. It's probably that seasoning. And again, I mean, look at the crunchiness on them. Can you see them? Oh yes. That's how we do our roasters. Nice and slow. Nice and slow. With that crunchy bit there, look. That's the piri piri ones. I'll just put them other ones on the side for now. I'll probably have them ones. Get them on the table. And here is the casserole. Looking nice. You can see that properly. Smells absolutely delicious in this kitchen, I must admit. Right, I'm going to dish up and we'll get it up the table. So, yeah.
Do you have to taste it now?
Nat's had one of them. She thought they was just normal. She's had one of them because they've got a crunchier bottom. And she took the crunchier bottom one and it's spicy. Is it?
I can taste it now. I can taste it. I can taste it now.
Bless you. Let me show you anyway. It smells nice, doesn't it? I have made a bit of gravy there because that's having it on a... I want to have done some basic Yorkshire puddings. I bought a new tin for them flat tins, and it ain't come up very well. But hey up. It's had a taste, I suppose. But there's the casserole. And it doesn't look half bad, does it? And it smells delicious. It really does. And there's the, as I say, my roasters. My special roasters. Yes, no?
Not quite nice.
Oh, quite nice.
Well, my throat's getting warmer and warmer.
I'm going to try one of these roasters.
So it's not for taking it this one.
before putting any gravy on them or anything. There it is. Have a little crunch. Boiling hot still. Let me cut some up. They're hot in there.
Yeah. Oven hot.
Oven hot. Yeah.
Takes you a couple of bites. Like you said, it's all getting used to how much seasoning to put on
It's
stuff.
the season. I can taste it. I put. Oh no, I've got a kick now. Yeah, now I've got a kick. Oh. Oh. Well, that's quite spicy, that is. Isn't it?
I have done as well, yeah. The chicken's nice one without gravy on. I'm trying it without gravy on first.
Well, I got that gravy off the thing. Out the thing. You didn't want that gravy, did
No,
you?
thank you.
Out the pan. So a nice little kick that has, isn't it? Get used to the seasoning.
Serves me what for taking.
Yeah, serves you right for nicking. Get really used to the seasoning. I think that's quite nice.
Yeah.
I've got a burn in the back of my throat, just a little burn. Yeah, let's try some of this chicken. Let's try the skin first. Let's try a bit of this skin. Oh, sorry. You can taste that chorizo, can't you?
Yeah.
Can't you?
Yeah.
That's quite nice. And there's the chicken, back done to perfection.
That chicken's really nice.
That chicken is very nice, isn't it?
Nice, yeah. It's lovely.
That is nice, isn't it, that chicken?
Tastes
Yeah.
lovely. I was a bit worried about it, but
Let's try these things without even having them pop fingered up.
they're nice. They do taste nice though.
Yeah,
Potatoes now.
they're okay, a bit more salt on them. And then the Yorkshires. The one I also used on them, that might be why I use that 00 flour, had some of that. That might be why they haven't popped up so much. But all in all, it ain't a bad little dinner, is it?
Nice.
That chicken's lovely. Get that cut. You could probably make, if you've got all the ingredients, you just buy your chicken, you make your own, couldn't you? But we've had, what have we had? We've had 2 chickens each, so yeah. You'd do 4 you, wouldn't it? A couple of chickens each, some roast potatoes. Bit of Yorkshire pudding, a bit better than them things. And you're alright, ain't you?
It's nice.
Really?
Gravy,
There we go then. £4 that was, well, 2 for 8, so call it what you want, whether it's £4.75 I think it was, or £4 if you get the 2 or whatever. I think that's worth the money. For convenience, instead of making your own and just get it all in one go.
It's really nice.
The same going live tomorrow, guys. Fake away, takeaway.
Favourite day.
Yeah, it's only something simple, eh?
No, I don't care. It's still my favourite day.
That's what I got from Asda
It's still
in
my
the fridge.
favourite day. It's still my day.
You probably wouldn't like it. That's okay, yeah. Tomorrow about 1 o'clock, I'll go live. And then I'll see you all then. See you later. Bye-bye. Quite nice, isn't it?
Really nice.
I've cut myself there.
No, it's food.
Oh. See you later. Oh, well, I ate every bit of that and I enjoyed all of it apart from the Yorkshires. I don't think I use that 00 flour again on them Yorkshires, you, Bab.
No.
It's nice, but it's... that 00 flour, a flat pizza that burnt. That's what I used it for when I had some less. I thought I'd try it in the Yorkshires, see if it comes out, and it doesn't really come out, does it? But they're very proteiny, ain't they? Bloated now, absolutely bloated. But that itself was absolutely delicious. I really enjoyed it. Didn't you?
Yeah.
Struggling now, though, aren't you?
Yeah, I am.
Full. Really filled us up. So yeah, I'd mark that. Well, I'm only gonna mark the thing there. The what's it called?
Chicken.
The casserole. Yeah, with words. I'm gonna get a 9 out of 10. A casserole. Yeah. Cause I've done the rest, didn't I? That seasoning's good, but you got to get used to how much to put in, ain't you? And how potent it is. But that casserole, for the money, if you bought 2 for £8, £4, so you called it £4 each. It's worth £4, isn't it?
Yeah.
But just to stick in the oven, or you could even do it in the air fryer. Same as your roasters do in the air fryer. We don't like them in the air fryer. We like them in the oven because we like that greasy feeling, don't we? Proper, you know. So we don't do them in the air fryer, but you probably do. We don't. But yeah, all in all, I think that was delicious. Would I recommend getting it from Asda? Yeah, I would. 100%. See you later. Don't forget tomorrow live, about 1 o'clock if you can make it. Bye-bye.